Hey, it's Alex, and welcome to my Niche Marketing Kit review. Now, the Niche Marketing Kit has been around for a while, and I'm going to be honest, some of the content in it is a little bit dated, but there is a lot of value there as well. And it's not necessarily for everyone, but it's a pretty good deal, and a lot of people could get a lot of benefit out of it. So let's take a look at my screen, and I'll walk you through it a little bit, and we'll talk about who would actually get the most value out of this product. Let's take a look.
Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, reminding you to like this video if you like this video, leave me a comment if you got something to say, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Now let's go.
Alright, so this is actually the members area of the Niche Marketing Kit, and I'm not going to show you too much here because all of the information is basically available on the sales page anyways, but I just wanted to show you this is the Niche Marketing Kit website, and I am signed in, as you can see from the admin bar up here. So there you go. I bought it, I can't actually remember if I bought the Niche Marketing Kit last year or the previous year, but to be honest, I was a little bit overwhelmed by it, and I'll explain why. It's pretty easy to show you, because here's everything that's in the Niche Marketing Kit. It starts right here. This is the first product. There are 7 website traffic products. There are 11 video marketing products. There are 12 affiliate marketing products, 11 list building products, 10 social media products, and 4 extra internet marketing essential products. And actually, many of those are packs of products unto themselves. In fact, if we look at the very first one at the top, or no, not this one. Well, actually, yeah, this one. It has 100 videos in it. And then this is the one I was looking for right here. 150,000 articles with PLR private label rights, which basically means you can do almost anything you want with them. And what I've been using them for is there is literally every niche that you could think of in there. I was just out of curiosity, I looked in today, and there's 3 different subfolders for Christmas. And then there's other subfolders for holidays with more Christmas articles in them. And it's just there's just a ludicrous amount of content there. And what I've been using that for is as ideas and inspiration for social media posts. So I'll think of something that I want to write a post about, and then I'll look up something in my PLR content, which so far it's had basically every topic that I've thought of, like personal development stuff I've been doing a bit of, and basically any marketing stuff. There's just tons of marketing content in there. And so I'll look that up, I'll read it, and then I'll kind of rewrite it however I want and add whatever I want. And it's so much easier than starting from scratch all the time. I mean, I still start from scratch with most stuff that I write, but for things like social media posts and maybe even sales page content and stuff like that, or email marketing, there's no reason not to start with some PLR. Or it's basically just like using a template or an idea for inspiration in creative writing or something. It's very similar to that. It's just that you're writing content and you're using PLR instead. And like I was saying, a lot of these are multiple products. This one is like a video course and a PDF. Then there's multiple other membership websites and courses that you get access to. There's so much stuff. And I actually almost refunded my purchase when I bought it, not because it wasn't worth the money. I mean, it only costs, I think, $20 during their special sale between the 26th and the 1st. And I was just overwhelmed when I first bought it. Like, there's just so much content. Like, it's ridiculous how much they actually put into it. And I remember like looking at it, and I looked at a very small sample of it, and I noticed that some of it was a little bit dated, and so that was kind of why I almost returned it. But when you get past the fact that there's just way more than you will probably ever use, and when you get past the fact that yes, some of it is a little bit dated, um, then there's just so much value there. It's like there's just so much stuff to use, and there's also so much to learn. Now at this point, most of it is review for me, um, but a year ago, it must have just been a year ago when I got it. But so even just a year ago, I knew a lot less about marketing than I know now, and I learned a lot from this, especially about PLR and how that works, and about affiliate marketing and different list building tactics and stuff like that. It was really a good resource for me once I adapted to how much there was and just kind of focused on the most important stuff first. I started focusing on the training, and then I kind of saved the PLR for later, and now I'm using the PLR. So a year later after purchasing this, I'm still getting value out of it. But I'm not saying that it's like for everyone. I mean, if you're not interested in using PLR, then this probably isn't the product for you, because a big part of it is the PLR. There is a lot of training as well, but a big part of it is the PLR. And if you only want really up-to-date training, then this probably isn't the product for you, because some of it is fairly dated. But I mean, most of it is still very valuable. A lot of things change in digital marketing, but as much as things change, things also stay the same. And so I learned a lot of valuable stuff from this, and I believe that there's still a lot of value in it. Now, I don't want to go into too much detail about all the OTOs, the upsells, and everything. If you want more information about the OTOs and how the funnel works, just go to my written review on my blog. I'm going to put a link to that in the description and probably in the comments as well. And that has a lot more detailed information. My video reviews are typically just kind of more my feelings about products and my experience with them. And then if you want kind of like the nitty gritty, blow by blow details, then you need to go to my blog and check out my written review. It's just kind of the way that I do things. Anyways, I think that about wraps it up for the niche marketing kit review. All right, so that was my niche marketing kit review. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Happy holidays, and in case I don't see you, have a happy new year as well. Take care.